Hi, Wellham fan. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we have got some lovely summer items to do. So, let's show you these.
Well, they're hangies.
These are hangies. Yes,
Hey.
they are. Yes. So we have this one and this one. They came in the one pack together, which was really impressive. Yeah. So it's not bad. And then you've got the chains that hangs up, and of course special shaped drills. Right, so let's get this bad boy done and let's get drilling. Right guys, so they're done and my goodness, they are stunning.
Nice.
I'll move that like that.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Yeah.
So there's one.
Yeah. There's another one.
There's the other. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Now, I love doing these. I really do. I think they're absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
Right. So, on to the other ones. Right, guys. So, all being well, you've seen the amazing spring baskets. And next we have, these were actually done as
placemats.
Placemats, thank you, that's the word. And
but they obviously have smaller ones in China than we do.
But yeah, I mean, they're beautiful spring.
They're a bit like stained glass windows.
Yeah, oh, they're stunning. I just, hang on, what way up do you go? I think you go that way.
Yeah, because the stem comes down.
There we go. I mean, to be honest, I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with these. I'm partially thinking stick magnets on them, but also I quite like the idea of using them as potential bits, but I'm not sure how it'll go with, you know, bits moving off. So I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with them, but I mean, technically you could stick a hook thing on there or something. Yeah. If the magnets weren't strong enough, but I mean, how pretty are that? And you know, but yeah. So again, it's special drills, so they are uber sparkly. Yeah. Right, guys, let's get drilling. Right, so on to my first ever placemats that I've done, and I've got to say, I think they're absolutely stunning. I mean, I've left like the jar bits up there because obviously I run through, but here's the number one.
Little stained glass windows, aren't they?
Yeah. Especially this second one. But I think these are absolutely gorgeous.
They are.
See, I may not be able to get outside to the flowers, people, but we bring the flowers in here. And there we go.
Yeah.
So yeah, I must admit, I've been checking out other coasters. I've been checking out other placemats as well, because my plan is to put a few strips of the magnetic tape on to see whether they'll hold on at the radiator.
Possibly.
They may do, because it's quite light wood.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously these ones hang, but
you
know. Right, favourites.
Oh.
Obviously, I love the hanging ones. Goes without saying.
My favourite one is the one with the white one on it, because with the bits on the white bit, they look like the petals from the flower.
Yeah, I was going to go with this one as well, quite simply because it has what looks like lavender in it as well. I just really love the colours of this, whereas some of it's just a bit too much there. But even so, they're still stunning.
There's a lot of orange next to each other, isn't there?
That's right. Yeah, I would have broken that up if it had been me. Favourite out of these ones is this one for me. I absolutely love the effect of that, although I must admit I also really love that one and that one.
I like that one as well.
And that one. So I think what we come to the conclusion of is that we love all of them.
I like that one most, I think. That one or that one.
Yeah, I think probably if you held a gun to my head, which I prefer you didn't, I would say this one.
Yeah.
Although I do love this effect, but I mean, I'm really loving this.
Yeah.
And I'd recommend anybody that is also housebound or spends a lot of time indoors, find something you can get passionate about. Because as hobbies go, this is not an expensive one. Not if you like go through Temu and bits like that.
No.
And
the amount of time you get to do it, you do it as well.
Yeah, this is it. I mean, it's good fun. I mean, if you aren't as like nimble-fingered, these sort of things would be a better.
Yeah.
Which you just put in the search of special shaped. So you've got diamond painting special shaped, and it'll bring up not just, if you want like acrylic ones to do, put in acrylic. Yeah. But if it's normal ones, just go with special shapes and then pick lowest first and have a look and see what they've got. That's what I do anyway. But yeah, I really love these.
Yeah.
Right, my lovely. So I hope you've enjoyed. And as always, my dears, it's be different.
A very merry hoo-hoo.
And let's show you out with a daff. And